Hi, I'm Paul Rigby, co-author of the B-Book and the B-Book version 2.0 and facilitator of Be Engaged workshop. So the debate that has been going on for a while, and especially during these times of COVID, is do you want happy employees or do you want engaged employees? And I find that people use happiness and engagement interspersed, and there's been a lot of talk about happiness, but I might be being a little bit controversial to some people, but let's do it and let's get some feed forward, as I like to say. Please let me know and type in the LinkedIn below. I posit that I would rather have engaged employees than happy employees. Let me explain. You are paid to be engaged. You're not paid to be happy. Happiness is a positive emotional state. It's the joy we feel striving after our potential. Happiness is a frequent experience from positive emotions. It's a life rich in activities that are pleasurable and meaningful. So I get that. Now, what I want you to do is I want you to be happy. But first of all, I need to engage you. I want people to be engaged to the point where they give something to the company and the company gives something back to them. So I posit that in the business world, we need happy and engaged employees, because you can be happy but not engaged. And if you're not engaged, you're not doing what the business likes. So I'm taking this from a business point of view, but from a leadership point of view as well. So I'd like to say that there's a misconception that happy cultures are light-hearted places, etc. And I think happy cultures are where people are engaged, where people want to go above and beyond, where they don't leave their hearts and minds at the door, where they want to come to work, they want to make a difference, and they are solving difficult problems. And I think in where we are at the moment with COVID and working from home, a lot of people, is we need to engage people, communicate more, and make sure that we have happy and engaged employees. And happiness starts with oneself. So as a leader, I would challenge you to engage your employees and try and make them happy, but happiness comes from within. I wonder if you agree with this. We talk about this in Be Ready for Change workshop and in Be Engaged workshop, and I'd be interested in your comments below.